This week I released a new product, how to secure your chairperson in 30 days. And I'm going to include the introductory piece from that. It's about a minute video which explains the process. But basically what it is it's a process by which I deliver a audio message with a lesson every day. There's an action item for that day. You mark it complete, you go to the next day, you go to the next day, and if you've done all of those things and done them well, the goal is to have a chairperson within 30 days. So, good way to start the year if you're still struggling with it. If you've already got a chairperson and you don't need this step, obviously, but for those that are struggling with it, could be a lot of help. But one of the things that I saw within the last couple of weeks, and it was just driven home hard to me, is that the value of a team, the value that you put this board of directors together, your team, most of the time they have experience that you don't have. And over time you can learn how to do a lot of these things, trial and error. But it's amazing how much a team can add to the collective experience of those that are in that team, and how much you can learn from that. You don't have to have the same mistakes if somebody else has said, we tried that, it didn't work, this is what we learned from that. So teams certainly get things done. The beginning of this whole process beyond finding your industry, which I cover in this 30-day as well quickly, is to get a team that fills in the gaps that you may have. And you don't need to know everything as long as you have a team that can fill in those gaps. So really critically important. So if you're struggling with that step, I hope this helps. It's a pretty simple course to go through. 30 days, should have a chairperson at the end of it. Pricing is, I don't know, about ridiculously low, but it's pretty low as well. So you can go to brucewhipple.com/30-day, and you'll see the checkout for that if that's something that would help you. But the introductory video will also give you a piece. But remember how important teams are. Remember you're into now a new year, and that you want to start hard, relook at your goals, relook at your affirmations. And if you're struggling with building your team and getting a chairperson, it's a pretty good way to begin that process. Hi, I'm Bruce Whipple. Welcome to the 30-day program for getting your chairperson. What will happen here is each day you will get a MP3, which is a short lesson. It'll include the action item for the day, and then complete that action, mark complete in your Kajabi portal, and then the next day go on to the next one. And do that consistently every day for 30 days, and I think you're going to like what happens. We're going to go through the steps to get a chairman, tools to use, and that whole process. So you can certainly do it more quickly if you like, but the important thing is to follow these steps. And if you do this consistently, you're going to be in a position, I believe, where you can get your chairperson within 30 days. And that chairperson is the anchor from which the rest of the board is built, gives you credibility, and usually will end up being your mentor. So I hope you're excited about this program. Again, it's 30 days. Every single day there's an action item to complete, and just get in that habit and watch what happens to you.